Good morning once again. Today we talk about the WWFD, a full inverter propane chiller that INTARCON take a chance on it, because it's a eco-friendly and sustainable solution for a better future. My name is José Aceituno Repullo, and I take part on the engineering department in the training area here in INTARCON. The full inverter R290 chiller is a water or glycol chiller plant for commercial or industrial refrigeration application with reduced propane charge and the use of VFD in each compressor. So we have got a high energetic efficiency because we respond to the demand of cooling capacity in each moment. For the installers, on the other hand, we have got an easy installation for this equipment. The main features are power supply, 400 volt 3 phases, 50 years or 60 years, galvanized sheet steel bodywork with polyester coating, compressor compartment with leak detector and air extraction fan, semi-hermetic compressor with the use of VFD, microchannel condenser coils with polyester powder coating treatment, variable flow electronic fans, steel plate evaporators with electronic expansion valve, watertight control and power control panel with separate protection, the use of a separate electrical supply on exhaust fan and leak detector in case of fail of the main power supply, and it's also combinable with pump sets that are manufactured here in INTARCON too. Finally, we use a programmable electronic control unit here. The inverter system provides precise control over the glycol supply temperature in the face of a variable refrigerant demand. In this photo, we can see the compressor use for a cooling capacity demand that the control modules sequentially and simultaneously and also proportionally thanks to the VFD, avoiding starts and stops with significant energy savings. INTARCON comes with a huge product range from high temperature from 40 up to 850 kilowatts, and in medium temperature we count with a cooling capacity range from 25 up to 560 kilowatts. In the case of a compressor with 75 horsepower, it's available in the chassis 2, 3, 4 and 5 with different and independent circuits in all the cases. Now let's see the refrigeration operation. In this slide we can see the refrigeration diagram, the P&A diagram. The compressor sucks gas and compresses to the high temperature and pressure that is condensed in the microcanal condenser, expands in the electronic expansion valve, and exchange the heat in the plate. We also see here in the molar diagram where the condenser exchanges heat with the air environment, and we also exchange heat in the glycol loop with the refrigerant circuit. The electrical operations operates due to an electronic board panel and also with a iPro system that is based on Emerson programmation. In INTARCON we use own library for the use and application of customer needs, and it's available for different equipment. Now let's see the case study of a MWWFD 2082 full inverter propane system that is for medium temperature with chassis 2, and it counts with two compressor of 40 horsepower. The INTARCON calculator offers a cooling capacity of 140 kilowatts and electrical power consumption 70 kilowatts, and also a SEPR of 3.89. For the use of a propylene glycol 35%, we have got a glycol flow of 21.8 8 meters cubic per hour. We can see in this slide the digital twin of this equipment that is a key factor for the design department, where we use the CAM and CAE design process for anticipate fails, improve our system very quickly. And now we see here the electronic panel board with the different elements and components, such as the variable frequency driver, the circuit breakers for compressor and fans, the use of the iPro control programmer, the electronic expansion valve modules, and other elements and components that we see in the next video. We can also see here the dimension diagram. We see the connection of the chiller. We see also all the dimensions in this case. So let's start to see this equipment in situ.